The 3-in-1 folding baby stroller offers remarkable versatility, allowing parents to adjust the seat for sleeping, lying down, or sitting positions, ensuring comfort for every stage of your child's journey. With its large UPF 50+ canopy, this stroller provides excellent protection from the sun, making outdoor adventures safe and enjoyable for your little one. Designed with spacious storage, it features a convenient basket underneath and a cup holder, providing ample space for essential items and making outings more manageable. The wear-resistant PU wheels are engineered to handle even the bumpiest terrains, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride for both baby and parent. The stroller's quick folding mechanism and adjustable artificial leather handles make it easy to transport and store, perfect for parents on the go. Crafted with a high-quality aluminum alloy push handle, this stylish stroller allows for customizable comfort with adjustable recline positions and handlebars to suit your preferences.